Hey loves, welcome back to yet another video on our channel. Today I'll be making banana bread. Now I know it's been quite a long time since I've baked on my channel. So I know a few years ago I did banana bread and that video blew up. A lot of people messaged me for my recipes and stuff like that. So make sure you watch the video to the very end. I will make sure as well I am linking the full recipe in the description below. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed as yet. We love having new people over here. We love hearing from you guys as well. So drop a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried banana bread, if you've ever baked it. I know I have a friend that always tells me, "Oh, girl, I baked banana bread." I remember you because you're the one that inspired me to make banana bread. But let me know if you do other things differently as well. You can also let me know. I know people add nuts to theirs as well. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna make it pretty simple, only because I have some bananas that have been speckled for a while and I don't want to throw it out. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, you guys, so we're gonna peel these bananas. See, they're overripe, which will make it more sweet, which is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to eat this. So 3 is ideal. If you have 2, that is also fine. But 3 would be good. So the first step is to mash the bananas. So we're going to do that with a fork. Mash, mash, mash. So I already preheated my oven. It's currently on. So by the time I'm done here, I will put this into bake. Next, I'm going to add in the sugar. So I'm using 3/4 cup of sugar. And I'm using 2 eggs. I'm going to add that in as well. You could use 1, but 2 eggs. And then I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of melted butter in as well. And then I'm going to mix that up. Okay, my oven has been heated up. So this is your consistency. So the melted butter makes a huge difference. You don't have to be whipping all the time to get that melted butter and sugar. And white sugar melts faster than the brown sugar, so that's why I'm using the white. It saves a lot of time. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of milk as well to my mixture and just mix it in as well. Now I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You can use any flour. I see people use almond flour, any flour that you'd like. I'm using all-purpose. And then you make sure you're mixing this part really well because you don't want your banana bread to be all floury. So make sure you mix it very well. Make sure everything got mixed up together, especially the banana. Okay, so we have a little problem. I cannot find my chocolate chip. So I'm adding some chocolate sprinkles just to make it a bit chocolatey, I guess. And my other problem is I cannot find my banana, my bread pan. So now I need to use a regular ceramics bowl, but it's gonna come out beautiful anyways. So hopefully when I make this video again, I can locate my pan. But for today, we're going to use this one, which is ideal because I know not everyone will have a banana. You can put it in that round little cake. Put this in the oven to bake. Ooh, banana bread. Look at this, guys. Okay. Oh, this is looking gorgeous. Okay, guys, this is what our banana bread is looking like. We're checking to see if it's fully cooked. Awesome. It is beautiful. I so love banana bread. I can't wait for it to cool down and then dig in with a slice. Yay! Okay guys, so I'm really obsessed of how the banana bread came out. I mean, look at it. I'm so in love. And then it baked very beautiful in this ceramic bowl that I've used. So I'm so happy with that as well. I can't wait for it to cool out and then I'm gonna have a piece. Yeah, make sure you're liking this video, subscribe, share, comment down below. It truly means a lot to us. It goes a long way. You don't know how much that means, like just giving us a thumbs up, or even if it's a dislike, whatever it is, just do it. I will be linking the full recipe as well in the comment section below, so scroll down. You don't have to go to the description because people don't usually find a description box, so it will be in the comment section. So Justin's there. So Justin, do you want banana bread? Do you want banana bread? No, you love banana. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.